50% of our children are growing up in poverty.
It has been over half a century since the White House held a conference on food insecurity in the U.S. This is after tens of thousands of Oregonians are facing hunger right now.
In 2019, 860,000 of our neighbors in Oregon and Southwest Washington asked for food assistance. I think it's going to be 1.5 million people this year.
Susanna Morgan, CEO of the Oregon Food Bank, says we're living through the highest level of hunger since the Great Depression of the 1930s.
And so for the White House to hold a conference again and say, it's time for us to re-examine and think again about what public policies we can put into place over the next decade is extremely exciting.
Morgan says the White House addressed a number of recommendations during the conference, two that include expanding the SNAP program, formerly known as food stamps, and to bring back the child tax credit, a public policy put into place for a year during the COVID pandemic that targeted low-income families with small children. But it was recently pulled at the end of 2021.
It had a huge impact. We can show that single program cut poverty for children in half and cut food insecurity by 26%. That's astounding.
And Morgan believes we need to attack the root cause of hunger by addressing things like living wages, affordable housing, access to health care, and systemic discrimination.